Hey guys, it's Natalia, and today I'm coming at you from my kitchen area. This is my garage door. I've never filmed in this little area, but low-key kind of good lighting. Today I have a super exciting video. I was sent over a new embroidery machine from Ricoma, and I am so excited about it. It's currently in my garage because it is literally giant, and I just like have not had the time of day to even like unpackage it and like bring it into my house. You guys will see it in a minute, but I wanted to do a fun little unboxing of it. As you guys know, I've had an embroidery machine, but I have a single needle embroidery machine. So very much like a home embroidery machine kind of vibe, something more low-key. And I haven't used it that much because it kind of is hard to use like a one needle one when I want to do like more complex designs. So I haven't really found like a lot of designs that I want to do with it, but Ricoma sent over a hand needle embroidery machine, and I am so excited. You have no idea. Like, this is going to be so good, and I already have like a couple of designs in mind of things I want to do with it. So today I kind of just want to unbox it, show you guys what it looks like, and yeah, this is gonna be so fun for us. So let's go to my garage. So welcome to my garage. I've never showed this part of my house because there's really no reason to. I apologize, there's probably an echo in here, but yeah, right behind me is the embroidery machine, and you will see why I literally have not been able to even bring it into my house because I probably can't even pick it up on my own. So I'm gonna have to wait till my dad can help me actually set it up. But I wanted to start opening up the boxes and maybe unassembling it to like bring up. But here it is. It is literally so big. So let's start cutting into this, shall we? I don't even know where to begin, guys. Let's see. Okay, so we've got 3 separate boxes. So here's the big one, which I assume is where like the actual machinery is. I have another one back here, which is the table and stand, and then there's a little box here, and I don't know what it might be. Maybe like the actual guide on how to get this all situated, but let's unbox this. I don't know which one I should begin with. Maybe I'll start with the little one. So we've got this little box here, which I'm going to open up. Ooh, okay. So this is the supply kit. It comes with so much stuff. And there's also this little folder that came with it, and they wrote me a little nice note, which is so cute. So this machine is the EM-1010, and it's one of their more affordable options. They have some really great financing options that helps it be more affordable for you guys if you are wanting to get one for your own business, for your own personal use, or whatever you want to get it for. And they have some more resources in here too, so that's really cool. Beautiful. I am so excited about this. So I'm thinking I might open up the table and kind of check out how big it is. I don't know where I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna be honest. We will see, but I'm thinking let's open the table, then we'll open the machine, and then, you know, we'll see where this takes us. Okay, so the table is back here, but it's like propped up, and I feel like it needs to be on its side for me to actually be able to open it. Do we think Natalia has the muscles to do this on her own? I hope so. This is the only bad part about living by yourself as a small woman, is that I don't have anyone to help me out with heavy things. But you know what? We're strong, independent women, and we do not need a man in this household. Oh. Okay. Well, I can guarantee that this table's gonna be heavy duty because it is quite heavy. So, okay. All right, let's open this up. Let's see what's good. Guys, I'm so excited. I feel like I just have so many ideas of things I can do with this. I think that going from like a single needle to a 10 needle machine is just such an upgrade, first of all. But this is gonna be so good just for my business because obviously I'm like, you know, making things in bigger quantities and such. So this is just gonna be so helpful. I'm literally so excited. You guys have no idea. I'm gonna literally embroider like everything in my house. Do we think I can build this on my own? I don't know. Actually, I do think this is gonna fit in my studio now that I'm seeing like how big this is. I'm thinking I'll bring up each piece like on its own. I can probably bring it all up by myself if I just bring it in piece by piece. And then we'll go from there. Let's start figuring this out. Let's do this thing. already a little winded, but we did it. So this is gonna be the more difficult part, and I think that I might not be able to do this on my own. Might have to wait for my dad on this one, but I'm going to open it up, check this out. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I don't know how I'm gonna get this out of here. Holy crap. Okay, got a little baggie on the side. There we go. Oh, I can't. Okay, so here's some. Okay, so I've got a bunch of hoops here, a bunch of different sizes. This is really cool. Bring this in. So there's no way that I can get this out by myself. So we're gonna wait on my dad for this one, but let's go inside and start building a table. So I've got all my pieces right here, and I'm actually thinking I have more than enough room. Like in this little corner of my studio space is actually quite large, and this piece right here, which is like how big the table is, would fit absolutely perfectly in this little corner, and I think it would be just such a good space for it. So I think I'm gonna set up right here, and I have an outlet right there too, so I can like easily connect it right there, and I think that's gonna be better than trying to take out one of these tables to put it in. So very excited. Let's start building. Time to get my my handyman action on. Okay, so I put my hair up. That's when you know things are gonna get really really good down here. Do I have? So the little box that I didn't open up downstairs had all the tools in it and the wheels and stuff like that. So that's what I've got here. We're going to go ahead and assemble this. Should be easy, hopefully. So got the instructions right here. They look pretty simple to assemble. Okay, so I think the only difficult part might be actually trying to keep this up together. Okay, so we've got these pieces. These are supposed to go in between. So this goes here and here. Actually, I think all should be good. Okay, we've got the table assembled. Now I just have to put in the wheels, I think, on the bottom part of this. Yeah, where are these at? Okay, so I have it to a point where I'm ready to flip this around, so hopefully everything is tightly screwed on there, and I can flip this now and kind of adjust the pegs to where I want it to be. So let's do this. Okay, this is heavy. This fits in this corner so perfectly, and I'm very, very thankful for that. Okay, so I guess now I can just tighten this. And now I need to put in the middle piece. There we go. Okay, so now I have this set up and it's ready to just have the actual machine part on top. So I'm gonna have to wait for my dad for that one, but this is all ready and it fits into this corner perfectly. I'll give you guys like a more bigger shot of this. So this is what it looks like, which still gives me enough room to be able to walk through here, which is really nice. So very excited about this. I'm gonna wait for my dad later this week to help me out with putting the actual machine on it, but so far super easy to assemble, looks really good, feels very, very heavy duty, super excited. So I'll catch you guys in a few days. So it's the next day. Yesterday I got my dad to help me actually set up the machine, get it all put together and up here just because it is so heavy, and I obviously couldn't do it myself, but I kind of wanted to share with you guys everything that comes with it, all that stuff. So obviously here's the machine itself. It's the EM-1010, which is I think one of their more affordable options. The great thing about Ricoma is that they have a 0% interest financing option, which obviously is the greatest thing ever, because you know, if you're ever like buying things on a monthly basis and there's interest on it, it can get really, really expensive. So the fact that They have a 0% interest financing option, is literally a dream. So then roughly you'd be spending like around $130 a month for this machine, which is an incredible deal because this machine is so heavy duty and I'm so excited to use it. Obviously I literally just got it and I still need to like, you know, learn the software to design anything on it and do all that. So you'll definitely be seeing me use this machine like no other. I'm so freaking excited. But yeah, such a great option financially speaking as well, especially if you are wanting to start a business or you have a business and you want to level it up by like embroidering your logo onto stuff or just having really cool embroidery designs on things. I think embroidery can just add so much to it and I just like had always wanted to do so much more with it, but with the single needle machine that I had, it was just so much more difficult to do anything complex with it. So I'm so excited to like try this one out and like actually do a lot more with it now. But anyway, let me show you guys kind of everything that comes with it. So I got this whole little like toolbox of things, which comes with extra needles. We've got bobbins, bobbin cases. I have a little flash drive for the designs and stuff. I've got extra little like tubes and such, which are these that go on the machine, just like extra parts if needed, extra screws, little like brushy thingies to like clean out the machine a bit, and a bunch of other like tools and such like screwdrivers and pliers and thread snips and literally just like any extra things you might need for the machine it comes with, which is literally so nice. Obviously I don't expect the machine to like break or need any sort of replacement, but it's nice that they give you that so you don't have to like actually go out and look for it if it ever were to happen. So I've got all that. I've got more needles and more thread snips here as well. I've got all of these threads down here, which I don't know if you can see, but I've got a fun array of colors down there. And then it comes with all of these hoops. These are, I believe, 4 hoops in 4 different sizes. So obviously you can see the big one is quite large. And then there's like a normal size one, I would say, a medium, and like a very small one. So really nice. And it actually also comes with hoops for like baseball caps and for like little hats, but I have those downstairs because those are like big metal hoops, but those also come with it, so you can like embroider things like that. It came with this little hat, which I thought was so cute. Not that I ever wear hats, but I just thought it was cute. So you can embroider things like that onto hats, which is literally so cool. Like I don't know, the fact that it has the potential to do that just because of like the shape of it and all of that is really cool. So it also comes with those, which again, so freaking cool. It also comes with a bunch of different interfacing options like heavy weight, medium weight, lightweight, all of those for different types of projects, obviously, which is nice so that I don't have to go out and buy some. I obviously do have some, but it's nice that they give you a little bit of each just so you can kind of do some test runs and stuff. So love that. Got more bobbins here. And then they also gave me a catalog of embroidery supplies, which is really cool. And this, I thought it was really cool. They gave me like an index of all the colors possible for thread. So I can literally just look at this and then like order them online, which is really cool. Like the full Pantone color experience. So love that. And the other really great thing about Ricoma is that they actually have all these training videos. So it doesn't come with like an instruction manual necessarily. It comes with like a portal that you have, your like My Ricoma, and there is where you can actually like find all the training videos on how to set up the machine and stuff. So yesterday when I was setting this up with my dad, if you saw that I was on my laptop, it's because we were watching the video and then like going back and actually like doing it and all that. So they have videos on how to set up the machine and then videos obviously on like how to thread it and how to actually use it and fix anything, which is really, really cool because instruction manuals are just not it. I feel like when it comes to things like this, it's just so much harder to do instruction manuals, and having like really clear videos and training videos is really cool. And they also have like people that can work with you one-on-one as like specialists to help you out with your machine, which is also really cool and really nice because sometimes it is really hard to kind of figure things out on your own, and the fact that they have that extra support system for you is really, really cool. So overall, this machine just really has it all. It includes literally everything that you will ever need, and I'm so excited to put it to use, guys. You have no idea. I'm literally gonna start learning the software ASAP so I can start designing some cool things, but you'll definitely see it in a lot more videos coming up soon. So super excited about it. If you guys want to check out this machine and Ricoma in general, I will have my referral link down below for you guys. If you are gonna buy this machine or you're just looking to buy anything else from Ricoma, please use my referral link so they know that I sent you over. Ricoma has literally so many other incredible things. They also even have sewing machines, which like I'm definitely looking into their industrial machines as well, just because I know that I need to upgrade eventually, and they just have such a great company and a lot of like really great resources, and I really love the way that they've handled handled everything so far with this whole partnership and just everything in general. They've been super helpful and super attentive, and I really appreciate that in a business. So feel free to check them out. I'll have the referral link down below for the machines, and I also have a referral link for all the other extra supplies for Ricoma. So feel free to check those out down below. You will not regret it. I will be personally checking them out myself for any extra things. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what other embroidery videos you want to see from me, because I'm literally so excited to use this. You have no idea. So let me know what you guys want to see, and I will definitely be showing you a lot more of this here soon. So that is it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!